The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to perform searches, identify sample groups, and make comparison group pairs. We are interested in exploring how gene expression changes after infection with influenza in healthy individuals. One type of study that could be useful to answer this question is an influenza challenge, in which healthy subjects are experimentally infected with influenza and measurements are taken before and after infection. Click on the Search tab and search on Geo Studies using the keywords Influenza Challenge. You can also perform an advanced search using more specific search terms. Limit the results to human platforms by unclicking the mouse option and re-hitting Search. View the available platforms by clicking on the plus sign. You can save the search results to your study list for future reference. This first study may be useful. Click on the PubMed link to examine the primary paper. You'll see in the primary paper that 22 individuals were challenged with flu, but 11 had not been previously vaccinated. We want to include those 11 in our study. We need to find the identifiers for those 11 subjects. Go to Geo and look at the series matrix file to find the subject identifiers of those 11 subjects. Here we explore the series matrix file. Looking through the data, you will see that the healthy subjects were labeled L through V. Next, search for the RNA samples corresponding to those 11 individuals at time 0. Click on those samples and make a sample group. By holding down the Shift key, you can select a group of samples. Annotate the sample group indicating that these are healthy individuals at time 0. You may rename the sample if you wish. Next, find those samples corresponding to the subjects 12 hours after influenza challenge. Make a sample group and annotate to indicate that these are healthy individuals who have been challenged with influenza A. Note that these samples were obtained 12 hours after challenge. Again, one can rename the sample group if desired. The next step is to make a comparison group pair. Select the sample groups of interest and identify them as Condition 1 or Condition 2. Your desired reference group should be identified as Condition 2. Because these samples were taken from the same subjects before and after flu challenge, they need to be paired. In order to pair samples, you must first make the CGP private. Then set the default pair list, check the pairing, and save it. Next, add the CGP to your compendium. You can create a new compendium if desired.